In this guide, I'll show you how to add a quiz to your Leadpages landing page in a simple and effective way. Quizzes are a great way to boost engagement and collect valuable user data. First, you need to create your quiz using a third-party quiz builder. Popular and easy to use options include Interact, MarkQuiz, or Tally. So, choose the platform that fits your needs. Then design your quiz by adding questions, answers, and styling that matches your brand. Once your quiz is complete, make sure it's published. After publishing the quiz, go to the Share or Embed section inside your quiz platform. Here, you'll find an embed option that provides you with an HTML embed code. Copy this entire code as it's what you'll use to display the quiz on your Leadpages page. Next, log into your Leadpages account and open the landing page where you want the quiz to appear. This will open the Leadpages editor. Inside the editor, locate the HTML widget and drag it onto the section of the page where you want your quiz to show. Click on the HTML widget, paste the quiz embed code into it, and save your changes. Make sure the full code is pasted correctly so the quiz loads properly. Finally, publish or update your landing page. Once the page is live, your quiz will be fully functional and ready to engage visitors directly on your Leadpages landing page. That's it. You've successfully added a quiz to Leadpages to increase interaction and capture insights from your audience.